5 benefits you'll get from hustling on the side. In today's presentation, you're going to learn the 5 major benefits of having a side hustle in addition to your day job. These are: Number 1. You'll have an additional source of income. Many people take up side hustles because they want to supplement their main income. You may start out small, but over time, you will get more clients. You may find that your side hustle may be even more lucrative than your regular job. And the good thing is, with side hustles, you can have as many clients as you want. You're basically only limited by the amount of free time you have. Number 2, you'll improve your skills. When you're hustling, you'll learn to fine-tune and improve your skills so you can continue earning money on the side. You not only learn how to manage your time more effectively, but you also learn how to become more effective at both your job and your side hustle. You're maximizing your time, so there's less room for procrastination. Number 3, you'll gain confidence. People with side hustles are usually more confident than those without. For instance, it's not easy going out there and getting side jobs. When you have a side hustle, you basically need to get clients on your own. It's your business, after all, and no one's telling you what to do. While you may initially fear failure and rejection, over time, you'll figure out what's working and what's not. Number 4, you'll meet new people. There are plenty of side hustles out there that will allow you to meet new people, either virtually or in person. For instance, if you're blogging, you get to meet people via your blog's comment section or on social media. If you attend blogging conferences, you meet other bloggers from around the world. You're able to expand your social circle. The more you surround yourself with like-minded people, the easier it will be for you to succeed at your side hustle. Number 5, you'll grow as a person. When your side hustle is something you're really passionate about, then it will help you grow as a person. This is especially true if you're working a day job you don't particularly enjoy and are only in it for the money and the benefits. If your side hustle is something that truly makes you happy, then you'll not only expand your skill set, but you'll ultimately grow as a person too.